Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to connect your credit card to a YNAB. We will also put our affiliate link in the description below. Once you click on the link, you will see a page like this. To start, click on Login. Now log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see an option for Add Account. Click on Add Account. On the pop-up window, you will see an option for Linked. Click on Linked. Next, click on Add Connection. It will then show that a YNAB uses Plaid to connect your account. To continue, click on Agree. To log in with Plaid, enter your phone number. However, if you don't have an account yet or you'd like to skip the login, click on Maybe Later. Next, select the institution your credit card is connected to. In this case, I'm going to connect my Capital One credit card. Before you proceed, verify your identity using the CAPTCHA verification. Once done, click on Continue Login. Now log into your account. The selected institution will then ask for an access to your account information. To allow, click on Continue. It will also state which data will be collected. To proceed, click on Continue. To confirm and connect, click on the Authorize button. Here, select the credit card account you wish to add. Then click on Next. For further information about your card, click on the option that says Add Account Details. After that, you will see a message saying Successfully Linked. That's how you connect your credit card to a YNAB. Thank you so much guys for watching. And if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles. And our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.